I have created a new channel especially and dedicated to the researchers. If you are a researcher, this is the best place to find out each and every stuff regarding your research, like the paper publication and everything. Now how we will search it? So just open YouTube and click and write type the researchers adda and then enter. So you will get here, this is the researchers adda, this is the first link. So subscribe if you are new and explore this channel. Also go to the researchers adda. So here you will get all kind of the video related to the research and all the stuffs you will get here on daily basis, regular 8 AM morning. So 8 AM मॉर्निंग पर आपको सारे वीडियो मिलने वाले रिलेटेड टू द रिसर्च. सो सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल फॉर upcoming video. So don't miss any upcoming video. Very important video you will find here. Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about the international conference on Internet of Things. So this is the very golden opportunity to all of you. You can publish your research paper in this international conference and also publish in the Springer conference. So this is the very golden opportunity to publish your research paper in the Springer. So these are the tabs, different tabs we can see here. We can also explore home, about us, committee, call for paper, registration, speaker. These are the more important. So this is the home page of the university. So this is the about the institute or the those who are going to organize this type of the conference. So read out it carefully. So this is all about this particular. Now about this publication, so you can see here, this is the publication. So the conference proceeding will be publishing with the lecture notes in the network and system LNNS Springer. ISSN number is also given here. And what types of the indexing? So this is a very important thing to know about the indexing. So the publication of this particular Springer conference, all the research paper will get published in the EI Compendex, DBLP journals, Scopus Index journal and Google Scholar and also the Springer. So this is the very golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this reputed platform Springer, and those who are going to publish in the Scopus, DBLP, EI. And this is the conference date 5th and 6th February 2021. So in next year by February 2021 it will be organized. So this is all the agenda of this particular conference. Last date of submission, so this is the September 15 2020. So now we are having the sufficient time to publish our research paper, to submit our research paper in this conference. Very much time we are having. And notification of acceptance. So after submission your research paper as per the guideline, you can have the research acceptance from the editorial board members by 10th of December 2020, and submission of the camera ready paper for the conference by the 30th of December. So this process will come after the acceptance. If you will get the acceptance about your research paper, then you have to need to submit your research paper for the camera ready papers for the conference. And authorization, when we should get registered for this particular conference. So by 10th of January 2021 we can submit or we can register yourself for this particular conference, and conference date is given here, conference date. So this is all about the conference. Now about the more deep dives about us, so we can also explore this section also about us. So this is the kind of published by the GIET University. So this is the institute that organizing this such conference, a very good platform to all of us to publish your research paper in this particular reputed conference. Now about the committee. So these are the committee member. If you are having any kind of the doubt, and you can also have the chief pattern, and so there are the so many things are available. So and finally we need to go to the call for paper. So call for paper is very important thing before submission of a research paper. So you can see here, this is the Springer conference, all the tracks, what types of the paper, what are the aim and scope kind of the published by this particular journal, कौन से वो research paper, कौन से research areas है, then we can publish our research paper or manuscript. So first track is the IoT enabling technology. This is the first theme. So track 1 fifth under particular this theme you can see these are the topics covered by this particular theme. IoTs related, all the topics are given here. So if your research area can match with this particular topics, then you need to submit your research paper. Next one is the second track, IoT application services and real implementation. So under this theme, track 2, these are the topics covered by this particular theme. So if your research area meets with this particular criteria, that will be covered by the track 2. Next track 3, IoT multimedia and IoT societal impacts. Fourth one is the security and privacy of internet things and IoT experimental results and deployment scenarios. So these types of the topics and themes are covered by this journal and this conference. So you need to submit your research paper if your research area meet with this particular titles and topics. Submission guideline, what are the guidelines to submit our research paper? So you can see here we have to submit our research paper through the EasyChair login ID. So if you are not having the EasyChair, so then you can create your EasyChair login ID password in a very easy way. So and templates, what types of the templates? So latex proceeding template. So this is the given template is given here. So just click on this, it will be redirected to the template section, and this is the Microsoft Word 2003 proceeding template. So you can explore these two types of the template and accordingly prepare your manuscript for the publication. And article, the guideline given by this particular thing, if your research area not matching particular this guideline, then there is the most probably chances of the rejection. So try to avoid this situation. So just prepare your research paper in this particular manner. Important dates: 15th of September we can submit our research paper to publish in this conference by September 15th. So this we are having the from today we are having the sufficient time to submit our research paper. By 10th of December we can get the acceptance and each and everything. Now contact, so this is also very important thing about the contact. If you are going to publish our research paper, so we need to contact for any kind of query. So these are the 3 members and 4 members are given here, including their mail IDs and also the mobile number. So you can directly contact to such person if you are facing any kind of the issue. So these are the kind of help provided to you. Now most important thing about the registration, what are the registration fees of this particular conference? So you can see here these are the 4 categories. So if you are as a researcher, then 5,000 rupee, and if you are Indians, then 5,000, and then US dollar, $100. So choose as per your category and registration. So this process will become after acceptance your research paper. So by January 2021 it is required to register yourself if you are interested. So this is the golden opportunity to publish your research paper, and most important thing also given here, so you can read out it carefully. So what are the things covered by this particular fees? Conference kit will be given to you, and each and every souvenir kind of things will be covered. So what are the things will be covered? Souvenir, conference kit, refreshment, lunch, conference day and banquet dinner, everything is covered in this particular fees. So this is the registration fees, and according to accommodation charges are not included. So only the lunch, dinner and conference kit. So this is the kind of fee. So about this particular, and conference organizer responsible for ensure technical quality of the paper. So try to follow all the guidelines, so your research paper will get published in the Springer series and also the Scopus Index journal. So this is the very golden opportunity, grab this opportunity. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and also help your friends by sharing this conference to your friends, so they can also submit their research paper in this Springer conference. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe this channel, and do like if you find this channel is useful and this video is useful to you. Also do like, so it is a kind of motivation from your side. And I have also created a new channel, so you will get the link of our new channel Researchers Adda in the description box. You will get the link of the channel, so subscribe that channel. You will get the video on the regular basis, especially for the researchers. Thank you friends for watching this video.